My name's Melissa Von Gillern. I've been a nurse here at St. Anthony's in Rockford for 3 years, and I work on the neuroburn trauma ICU unit. So it was a typical day on our unit. We were staffed well. Things were flowing pretty well with all of our assignments when our charge nurse received notification that we were going to get 2 pretty severe burn patients. As a unit, we had to get together to decide what we were going to do with our current patients and where we were going to place these patients. The CNAs were great in getting our room set up, getting our supplies gathered, while the nurses decided to switch up our assignments and give up our patients. So the patient arrived with flight, was intubated upon arrival. We got in, we got the patient hooked up to the monitor. Our next biggest thing is to establish IV access, which was difficult as this patient was burned on all extremities. During these efforts, the patient's vital signs began to crash, and we actually had to perform CPR on the patient in the ER. We were able to get the patient back. On our way up to the unit, we were in the elevator, and the patient cardiac arrested. Being a small space, there was no other option but to get up on the cart as myself and perform CPR on this patient. It was a very high stress situation, but great teamwork. I was performing CPR, the 2 other nurses called overhead our code blue, so the code blue team could arrive to the patient's bedside. As we got the patient into the room, everybody was there, so it was set up perfectly. Once we realized how severe these patients were, our staff decided to call our night shift staff to have people come in extra to help. We had several people come in to help out, and it was tremendous because we wouldn't have gotten this done without them. Over my last few years of being a nurse, the biggest thing that I've taken away is that teamwork is imperative. From my physicians, my coworkers, CNAs, I've learned that I can't get through a normal day without them, let alone even get through a high stress situation.